Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring DIY wall paneling, a fantastic way to elevate your home's interior design without breaking the bank.
Let's get started.
Here's what you'll need.
Materials: timber panels, adhesive, wood filler, primer, and paint or stain. Tools: measuring tape, saw, spirit level, drill, and sander. Make sure to gather everything before you begin.
Step 1 is to measure your wall. It's crucial to know the area you'll be covering.
Measure the height and width and jot down your dimensions. Next, sketch a rough layout of how you want your panels to look.
When you go for a classic style with rectangular panels or something more modern, it's all about your personal taste.
Now, it's time to cut your panels to size. Always wear protective gear when using power tools. A miter saw is ideal for achieving clean edges, especially for corners.
Once your panels are cut, give them a light sanding to smooth out any rough edges.
This will help the paint or stain adhere better. Next, apply adhesive to the back of your panels.
You can also use a brad nailer for added security.
Make sure to follow your layout plan and start from the bottom up for a tidy finish.
Press the panel firmly against the wall, using a spirit level to ensure it's straight.
You might want to hold it in place with a few strips of painter's tape while the adhesive sets.
Continue adding panels until the wall is fully covered.
This is where your creativity really shines. Once all the panels are in place, it's time to fill any gaps and nail holes with wood filler. After it dries, sand it down for a seamless finish. Now it's time for the fun part: painting or staining your panels. If you're using paint, don't forget to apply a primer first. Choose a color that complements your existing decor. Whether you opt for a bold statement color or soft neutral tone, the right choice can really enhance your room.
And there you have it, a stunning wall panel transformation that adds character and depth to your space. This project is not only satisfying, but can also significantly boost your home's value.
If you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home improvement tips.
Share your wall paneling projects in the comments below.
Happy DIYing!